Welcome to my presentation on how to terminate an agreement with a Strata manager. There are common reasons on why customers seek termination. That is due to lack of communication, lack of interest in keeping the complex to a good standard, the Strata manager is more expensive than other companies, they employ contractors that provide substandard work, they don't visit the complex on a regular basis, and they have poor financial control. What steps should I take to terminate a Strata management agreement? The processes required are that the Council of Owners should meet and discuss the termination. They should check the agreement. They should put it in writing. They should call and speak to the current Strata manager and make them aware of the termination. They should check that the agreement's not outdated, what the duration and terms are. Once a decision has been made to terminate, the steps to terminate are that you notify the Strata manager the intent to terminate. You provide the Council of Owners minutes or the decision that was made at the AGM. You follow it up in writing. You agree to termination terms in the contract. If you can't agree to the terms, then you need to go to conflict resolution. Under the Standard Strata Management Agreement, in Section 5, it talks about termination of the agreement. This agreement may be terminated without penalty at any time by mutual consent. It also covers the Strata company and the Strata manager. However, if both parties cannot agree, then the matter will be referred to the State Administrative Tribunal, and they will make a decision on the matter before them. In some cases, the Strata manager doesn't agree to the termination of the Strata agreement. Some of them dig their heels in so they don't lose their monthly management fee. Some of them ask for unreasonable terms contrary to the agreement and also charge unreasonable fees. Therefore, the owners would have to make an application to the State Administrative Tribunal for the matter to be heard and resolved. A Strata manager who doesn't agree in terminating a Strata management agreement will cause negative impact on their business. They'll have a bad reputation. They would have aggravated their customers. The industry body will become aware of their unsatisfied clients. Fines may be imposed if they conducted criminal behaviour, and they will have a court record against their company name. It's in the best interest of a Strata manager, if they receive a request for termination, is to find out what the problem was. Was it because their fees were too high, that the owners needed more personal attention? Did they take the owners for granted? Was there an unresolved issue that they could have helped them with? And if the owners are adamant in changing the Strata manager, part on good terms. They may regret their decision in the future and may want to return at a later date. If you're seeking further information in regards to termination of agreement, you can contact the Strata Community Australia and they'll help you find a reputable Strata manager. Or if you're seeking further information regarding the law, you can look up the Strata Titles Act 1985 under the government website. Thank you for watching my presentation at Prosperity Strata Management We are professional strata managers and we'll look after you and your investment.